What's up, guys? I wanted to do a couple of videos on SR20s, and specifically notchtop SR20DETs, and going to be removing this one out of my car and put it in an S14 chassis, which is currently blown. Well, we got the S14 SR20 pulled out of the S14 chassis. In here, going to break it down, then see what all went wrong with it. Did a compression test and figure out that number 3 cylinder only had about 30 psi, and we're going to see what it looks like inside. Finally got the SR20 broke down. Found the major problem right here. I think it's definitely going to need rebuilding, which that was the plan anyway. Well, the SR20 is completely tore down, and if you can see it, that's what a spun rod bearing looks like. The rest of it looks pretty good. Good thing I've got a spare crank. It's perfect. Still gonna polish it up though.